D&H Mobile Home Supply, North Carolina. Some people ask me on my video channel all the time, where do I get parts for my mobile home? Where do I find people that work on mobile homes? Because they're just so hard to find around here. So I want to give you a little tip real quick. The best place for you to find a local guy in your neighborhood or your town or area that does mobile home repair, right there. And I don't mean D&H, I mean wherever you are. Call your local mobile home supply store and ask them who works on mobile homes. And I think you'll find real quick that they'll have an answer for you. Because why? Because they sell mobile home parts. So if somebody's working on mobile homes, that person is probably coming in here to buy their parts, and they'll know who they are. So tip number one. People ask me where to buy Cool Seal for a mobile home. I don't generally buy my Cool Seal in a mobile home supply store, but there's a possibility where you live, they do. I'm going to step inside and see if we can't see a few things that they do sell that you might not be able to find at Lowe's or Home Depot. One thing that you're not going to find at Home Depot or Lowe's or any of them big box stores is a mobile home door. This is called a screen door combo. And that's just about the only way they sell them anymore. The older mobile homes had a separate screen, but the newer ones all come with a screen door combo already. So if you're looking for doors, don't go to Lowe's or Home Depot. You'll never get one that measures the same. Just go ahead and go to your local mobile home store, wherever that may be. Get one of their doors. Another thing you're not going to be able to buy at Lowe's or Home Depot. If you're looking for windows, storm windows, regular windows, whatever you're looking for on your mobile home, go to a mobile home store. They don't sell it at Lowe's or Home Depot. One other thing that people ask me about all the time, where do I get the Cool Seal and what kind should I get? I'm looking, what do we have here? Is this that roof acrylic stuff you got here, buddy? That's the one, right? That's your Cool Seal right there? This stuff is called Anvil. They make all different types, but this is the one that I can get it.
That's the white. That's the rubberized. That's the best, right?
Rubberized. This is the best. What's this stuff running for 5 gallons? Just $130. I don't know, 170. I don't know.
110, 215.
Very expensive. You hear that? So yeah, it's gonna be a little expensive, but like you said, this is the best. It's acrylic, white. It's gonna keep your house cool. They do sell other types. Fibered aluminum. I have never recommended getting the fibered aluminum roof coating.
202 plus tax.
202 plus tax for this stuff right here. But you can get this at your local mobile home supply store 9 times out of 10. And this is where I would buy it from mine. So that's it right there. Don't go up on top of your roof trying to put this stuff on now. You want to be careful. Use a stick with a 8-inch or a roller, a paint roller, just like you paint your house. 3/4 inch nat paint roller with a pole. Lean your ladder up on the side of the house. Don't walk on your trailer. If your mobile home is the type, older type generally, that do not have the screen door combo, you can also buy screens that are separate from the doors. You can buy doors that are separate from the screens. The measurements of your mobile home door is not going to be the same as a house door that they sell at Home Depot or Lowe's. They do not sell mobile home doors at Home Depot or Lowe's. Don't forget that. You'll not find it. Whew, look at that. I need something like that right there myself. That's something I need. I need to get a measurement. I need a new screen. These are a couple other things that you're probably not going to find at the big box. Mobile home supply store. Your vents, sometimes they get rusted and they'll leak right around the seals right there, so you can take them off with the screws. Caulk underneath it, reinstall it, put your screws back. Mobile home supply store. And they sell different types for a mobile home supply store. Different types of vents. So whatever yours is, bring that vent in and see if they can match it or come close. Well, we got to say hello to the kitty before we leave. Hey, kitty. What you say, kitty? Kitty likes loving too. Yes, she does. Look at you. Look at you. This is the mobile home supply store cat. He loves people. All right, guys, that was just something real quick for you guys. I haven't put out a video for a while, but I get them questions all the time about roof vents, about cool ceiling, about doors and windows and stuff like that. So now you know, mobile home supply store near you. You can also find people that work at mobile home supply store. So utilize that. Promise you. This guy knows who works on mobile homes. He sells the parts. So yeah, you know who to call now. Mobile home supply store near you. Find who you're looking for. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hit that thumbs up for me, please.